everyone, I'm Stephanie, the Superfood Goddess. I'm so excited to be back for a third year in a row. Thank you so much, LIB. And give it up for all the DJs that are playing absolutely amazing music, helping us vibe high, keeping us energetic throughout the weekend. I'm Stephanie. I am a plant-based holistic health coach. I specialize not only in plant-based, but also in mental health and gut health, because I know that I was able to help myself through my gut and eating healthy and eating better options. And I was able to get myself off depression medication and anxiety medication. So I know it works, it makes me feel vibrant, and I just want to bring that to the rest of the world. So I'm so excited to share with you my raw pizza party. It's really, really important that we choose foods that are colorful, vibrant. When you're eating vibrant, you're going to feel vibrant. You're eating good energy. That's what it's all about. I don't know if any of you know this, but our gut is our second brain. There is communication all day long going up and down from our brain to our gut and back and forth. And 90% of our serotonin is made in our gut, and that's telling our mind how we feel. So if we have a healthy, happy, clean gut, we are going to be healthy, happy, and clean. We're gonna have energy, and it changed my life for the better. As the years have gone on, I realize the environmental impacts and the impacts that it makes on the animals. It's a really great thing to be able to research. I'm here to just provide information, and I just wanna help you guys gain some knowledge. So you might ask, why eat raw food? Great question. Raw, you have not cooked over 118 degrees. So you'll still, sometimes when something's crispy or crunchy, it's because it's been dehydrated. It's taken the water out and it makes it crispy. When you cook something, sometimes you cook out some of the nutrients. So eating raw food has all the nutrients. It's a more high vibrational way of eating because your body is getting all the vitamins and minerals from the food. It also takes a little bit longer to break down, so you actually end up staying full longer. So I'm really excited to show you. This is a raw pizza wrap, and it actually comes from this company, Wraps. They're awesome and amazing. They make these flaxseed wraps. They've got different flavors. This is their paleo pizza crust, and it's tomato flavor. And it makes it so easy to eat raw because you've got something tangible here that you can just build upon, right? So they've got wraps. You can make a really yummy wrap. I often do hummus and sprouts and whatnot, and it is so good. It's filling and it's satiating. It's something that'll carry you through the next couple hours. You'll feel full, you'll have fuel and energy. So you can make a pesto sauce, you can make a tomato-based sauce, or you could even use hummus. I know that with the festival season and camping festivals, the easiest thing would be you could go buy some hummus. You could spread that on here and then put all your toppings on it, and it would be super easy. If you have access to a blender or a food processor or even a NutriBullet, then you can actually make your own tomato sauce or basil pesto. If you didn't have those and you still wanted to make some sort of tomato sauce or pesto sauce, you could just mash up some avocado, cut up some fresh herbs like basil and a little bit of lemon and garlic and some salt and pepper. Mash that up like a guacamole. Same thing, you could put that down just as the sauce and it would be just as good. Today we are going to make a basil pesto that's oil-free. So instead of olive oil, which is traditional, I'm using avocado. If you want to omit the avocado and add in olive oil instead, you can absolutely do that. And I actually will have a link where you can contact me for the recipe. We are the creators. When we step into the kitchen, we are the creator of our plate, we are the creator of our body fuel, of our mindset, and everything else that goes on in our lives. We are the creators of that. We are so powerful that we have the control to be able to create our energy field, our life, whatever that is. We can manifest it and we can make it happen just by taking action. So today we're going to make a basil avocado pesto. this out. See, super creamy. I put some hemp seeds in here for some extra added nutrition and vitamins and minerals, and hemp seeds are a superfood. They're nutrient dense, vitamins and minerals that we absolutely need in our daily life. What are superfoods? They're nutrient dense foods. They're foods that don't just have calcium and fiber or vitamin A. They've got a bunch of different things. They've got magnesium, potassium, they have high levels of vitamin C, fiber, antioxidants. Cell oxidation can cause cancer. So the more antioxidants, the more superfoods we're putting into our bodies, the better we're going to be. First, you start by putting on your sauce, just like any other pizza. Really, the only difference is that this is raw, not cooked like your regular pizza. You're actually not going to have to wait for all the cheese to melt and for it to bake, so you can eat it pretty much right away once you cut it. So you put the sauce on. Then I always like to throw on a couple fresh tomatoes. I also love adding zucchini. Zucchini is another wonderful plant food. It's so versatile. You can top pizzas with it, you can make noodles with it. I love dipping it in hummus. You can put it in a saute. It's great with Italian flavors. Eating plant-based is really important because there's a lot of fiber in plant foods, and we need fiber. Our gut needs fiber. Our gut is the start of our immune system. It's the start of our metabolism. It's where most disease manifests. So when we have a clean gut that has lots of fiber pulling all the yuckies through, feeding all the healthy gut bacteria, promoting good gut bacteria, then we're good. That's why I promote a plant-based lifestyle. Even if you can go mostly plant-based, you're setting your body up for total success. Love using bell pepper. You're the creator here, so you can be the artist and make this look however you want. I love making it look a little pretty, but you do whatever you want. I love mushrooms. Mushrooms have vitamin D, which are also really great for mood support as well as immunity, so I'm gonna throw some of these on here. Everything that I throw on here is pretty thinly sliced. You wanna make sure that it's thinly sliced so that you can fit everything on this yummy little pizza. So I always tell people, eat the rainbow. When you're eating the rainbow, you know you're getting a lot of nutrients. Alright, I'm gonna put some red onions on here. I love red onions because they promote healthy bacteria. The onions are cancer fighting and they help regulate blood sugar and they boost digestive health. I'm gonna add just a couple sun-dried tomatoes. Again, sun-dried tomatoes have lycopene. They have vitamin A, vitamin C. They're really great for us. I know I put a couple fresh tomatoes on here. The sun-dried tomatoes boast just a little bit more flavor because of the drying process. At the very end, if you want to just top it with some fresh herbs from your garden or from your kitchen, or even just some dried Italian seasoning or basil, please be my guest. It'll just add a little bit more flavor. Check out this pizza. It's raw. It's got all the nutrients packed in it still. We haven't cooked any of them off, and I swear, I know raw food looks and probably seems like it's not filling. There's no way I can eat this whole pizza. Every time I can only get half of it down. Some of you with a bigger appetite could probably eat the whole thing. It's got omega-3s, it's got fiber. Flaxseed is overall amazing and it's filling because of the fiber. I just want to say thank you again so much for having me back a third year in a row. I love you, LIB. You all are amazing. I thank you so much to Christina for having me back and the Learning Kitchen, and LIB, you rock. I can't wait till next year.